Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Mojo Launcher black screen problem. So I'll start with the first one, which is to identify the black screen issue. So when you open Mojo Launcher, you will see a completely black screen with only the app icon barely visible. So this is a common issue caused by cache corruption, outdated app versions, or display rendering conflicts. Next is you just have to go to the settings. So in this step, we're going to be clear caching and also clear the app data. So go to the settings, tap on the apps, tap on the Mojo Launcher, and then from there, just tap on the force stop. So first, and then clear the cache to remove corrupted temporary files. So if the issue still persists, then you can try clear data as well. So just take note that this will reset your launcher customization. So you can also try clearing the cache first before clearing the data, as clearing data will reset all your launcher settings. Next step is navigate to the settings, tap on display, and check GPU rendering and hardware acceleration settings. So some devices have conflicts with Mojo Launcher's rendering engine, so you can try toggling GPU rendering on or off, and then adjusting the display resolution. So if you have developer options enabled, you can try disabling and then force GPU rendering temporarily. Next up is update to latest version. So to do that, just open the Google Play Store and search for Mojo Launcher. So if in here, if an update is available, you can tap on update to install the latest version with bug fixes and performance improvements. So outdated versions often cause display issues. So you can also try enable the auto updates for Mojo Launcher to prevent future compatibility issues. Lastly is verify the fix, and then after applying the fixes, you can try to restart your phone and open the Mojo Launcher. So you should now see the colorful home screen with all your app icons, widgets, and customizations working correctly and properly. So if the problem returns, you can consider reinstalling the app completely or switching to a stable launcher temporarily. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!